So in last class, yesterday's class, we discussed about octal conversion, octal to binary, how to convert the number, octal to decimal, and octal to hexadecimal. We have completed, and only one sum is pending in that octal to hexadecimal with the fraction number. That alone is pending. Okay. So I will give today also time. Those who are not submitted, completed the entire homework, yesterday homework. After seeing this sum, there is one more sum we will discuss. After completing conversion, submit the homework very properly. Okay, so let me discuss the ninth topic. You can see the ninth topic, octal to hexadecimal. Okay, so now that we discussed without fractional part, integer part alone we discussed in the last class. Today we will discuss, we will deal with the integer part. Suppose the number is an fractional value, means how to do the conversion from octal to hexadecimal. Okay, let you see this. We will open it. Okay, this what we have seen, no, yesterday. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let me do one more example with the fraction, sorry, with integer number, and then afterwards we will do with the fraction. Or else shall we directly go to the fraction number after to hexadecimal? What's your choice?
Directly go to the fraction number, sir.
Yeah, fine. Okay. What about rest of the students? Everything is okay now? Because you did you understand, no, octal to hexadecimal? Yesterday you done the homework also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
Octal to hexadecimal with fraction. Suppose the fractional number is there, means how to deal with it, let me discuss. Okay, first we will discuss the sum. For example, this is the octal number, no? So octal number we need to convert into binary. Okay, so octal to hexadecimal alone, two steps are there. First we need to convert to octal to binary, then binary to hexadecimal. Okay, there is the two steps. Remaining things are directly we can do the conversion. For octal to hexadecimal as well as hexadecimal to octal, the two things only having the intermediate conversion. The intermediate conversion means we need to convert into octal to or hexadecimal to binary form. Then from the binary we need to do the conversion. That is the concept. Okay, you are seeing that we need to convert the number, and it should be in the form of 3, group by 3. Okay, we need to group the number by 3. Okay, suppose the group is not up to the 3 level, means we need to add the 0 in the group in the front part. Okay, so as that you can see 0, 6, 5 we are getting. 0, 6, 5 means what? That is 65. The entire zeros we can omit it. So that is 65 is the answer for the number into, that is the number for 145. If you're converting to hexadecimal means 65. Okay, suppose if it is rather than the more than 9 means, that is 10 or 11 means, we need to represent in the alphabet, as you know that A or B or C, like this up to F is there. Okay, so let me do the discussion for this. Okay, now you can see this. 1 minute, I will start to draw. 1 minute. Okay, so tell anyone octal number. Yeah.
567.
567. Okay, 5. Okay, 67. Okay, this is the octal number. Point my decimal number, no? Tell some decimal number.
0.25.
5. Just I will write 52. Okay, for your understanding purpose. Okay, so 52 I return. This is the octal number. Octal number base is 8. Okay, then we need to convert into hexadecimal. What is the base for hexadecimal? Hello.
16.
Very good. So let me do the conversion. As you know that. Okay, first we are 1 minute. Yeah, first we have to write the number in separate one. 5. Okay, then 6 integer part I am writing. Okay, 7 we are writing it. Okay, then dot, then 5, then 2. Okay, so now we need to find the value for each one. Okay, 1 minute more. Just 1 second, students. Okay, let me do it. Okay, what is the value of 5? Just 5. If we want to convert into binary, no, so just divide by 2. So how many 2s are in 5? 2 2s are 4. Tell that. Remainder 1. Okay, and then again say that how many 2s? 1 2 is 2. Remainder 0. What is the value? So bottom to top approach. So 1 1 0. So that is the value. So what is the value? 1 0 1. Okay, This is the value. Already it is in the 3 group format, so not an issue. Okay, so next we need to convert for 6. 6 conversion, do it. Tell that. If you tell, then only I will do, or else I won't do.
2 3 are 6. 3
So
3. 2
I have
3s are
to
6, sir.
mention remainder
0.
0
0. Okay, then again divide with the 2. How many 2s are there? Yeah,
1 2, sir.
2. Remainder
1
1. So what is the value?
1
1 1 0. 1 1 0. No, 1 1 0. Okay, then for 7, what is the 7 conversion? Yeah, tell.
3 2
3 2s are 6.
3 2s are 6. Remainder 1.
1
Okay,
1
again divided by 2. 1 2 is 2. Remainder
1 2s are 2.
remainder 1. So what is the value?
triple 1
Triple 1. So this is the value. So for 5, the same number 101. Okay. For 2, what is the value? 2. Again,
1
if you
2s are
divide
2.
by the 2 means, what will the value will get?
1
1 2 is
2s are 2.
remainder 0. So what is the value? 1 0.
0
We got the value 1 0, but it is not in the form of 3 grouping. Okay, 3. It is not in the form of 3 bits. No. So we need to add one more 0 with it. Have you understand this one? So now it is in this number. Now we need to write the number together in order to find it to the hexadecimal. So let me start to do it. What are the number writing just together? 1 0 1. Again here 1 1 0. No, 1 1 0. For the, what is the value of 7? Triple 1. So 1 1 1. Okay, then we need to group by 4. Here we will put the dot. What is the number? 5 value 1 0 1. Again, what is the value for 2? Hello, if people not
1
saying
0
means I won't say
0 1 0
0 1 0. Okay, now our work is we need to group into 4 because we need to convert into hexadecimal. No, so as we seen in the yesterday before classes, hexadecimal means grouping by 4, isn't it? Last class also we discussed. So let me group it by group by 4. What is the value? I will change the color. So let you just change into 4 groups means this is the first set. I mean, it is one group, and this is the second group, and third group is what? Only 1 is there. So we need to add what? How
Add
many
3
zeros?
zeros.
Very good. We need to
Add
add
3
the,
zeros.
yes, fine. Very good. 1 0, 2 0, and 3 0 we added. Okay, fine. Very good. Here grouping. Just to do the grouping.
Sir,
Yes, this
0
is the one set, and another set is what? We need to add another. Before we need to add 2 zeros in order to be what? 4 bits. Okay, now we need to find the value for it. Okay, have you understand what I'm saying?
so from point only we should
sir,
take
in
the
the decimal part,
Yes.
the finally only we will add the zeros, sir.
No. That's what I'm saying. That's what yesterday also. I think one of the girl asked for the question. Here we are doing with the individual numbers. Am I right? 5 2 is there. No, how we are calculating? 5 we are dealing as a single number. 2 we are dealing as a single digit, isn't it? So we are getting the number. Have you understand, ma? Have you understood this one? Hello.
Yes, sir.
yes sir
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me just do it. Now we want to find the first value. What is the first value? It is in the now in the binary form. So now we need to convert the binary to hexadecimal. So what is the value? How to do it? We just multiply it.
அவன் லேப்டாப் வச்சிருக்காங்க அங்க செட்
How to do the how to do with the multiplication? Tell that.
நான் சொன்னான் நான் நினைக்கிறேன் வட போனே செட் பண்ணோம் அந்த மேக்ஸ் சார் செட் பண்ணிருந்தாங்க
Harihara Prasad and Sudan, are you listening or just commenting on over something? Listen here. Then you put in your mute, huh? Listen, man. Okay. Let me come to this point. Okay. Now you just multiply it. If you multiply means what is the thing? 0 into, tell the number, 0 into 2 to the power of, how many digits are there in the 4 bits? 4, no. So number n value is what? Hello?
4
Yes, sir.
Number of bits is 4, no? So n value is what? N minus 1 is the value, no? 4 minus 1? 3. Isn't it?
3.
So 0 into 2 to the power of 3. Okay, then plus again. What is the next value? 0, no? So 0 into again 2 to the power of 2.
2.
Then plus 0 into
0 into 2 to
2 power 1.
2 power 1
1.
plus
0.
1 into
1
2
into
power 0.
1 into 2 power of 0. Very good. So what is the value we get exactly? Anything power 2
1.
is, that is anything power to 2, 1, 1 into 1, 1 we got. So here we have to write 1. Okay, let me do the next one. Next number is what? 0, 111, no? Okay, 0 into, till that, 2 to the power of
2 to the power of 3
3. Very good.
plus
2 to the
Plus,
power
1
yes.
into 2 to the power of 2.
1 into 2 to the power of 2, that is 2 square, plus,
1
plus
into
1
2 to the power of 1.
very good.
1 into 2 to the
1
power
into
of
2 to the
0.
power of 0.
I will write properly. Yeah. Then plus, last is 1, no? So 1 into 2 to the power of 0. Okay. So what is the value you will get? Here 0. Here what is the thing? 0 plus 2 2s are 4. 4 into
7.
1, 4. Yeah, we will go step by step.
7.
Yeah. 1 2 is 2. Then 1 into 1,
2.
2. So plus here 1. 1
1.
into 1, 1. So what is the value? 7. Isn't it?
7.
Yeah. Then what is the next value? 0 111. Same thing. What will be the value? 7. Isn't it?
Same 7.
Yeah, correct. Okay. Let you do the next one. I'm finding the space. 1 minute. Okay, I will write here. You can just note, and while you are taking the note, you please, I will segregate it. Okay, 0 into 10, 2 to the power of, here in the decimal point, I am
3.
3 plus
0 into 2 plus
Sir?
0 into 2 to the power of 2
yes, then
1 into
plus
2 to
1
the
into
power
2
of
to the power of 1.
Plus
0 into
0.
2 to
0
the
into, so
power
let
of
me directly, we will write 0. You know the steps. Okay, let me simplify it. So what is
0
the
2 to the
final
power
value?
of 0
2 only we got, no? Final value. Isn't it for this
plus
one?
0 into
Sir,
Yes, ma. That is, I will write it. 0 into, yes, somebody is asking doubt.
sir, the 0 should be added after the
Yes.
last decision, sir.
No, that's what I said previously. Here we are
Sir.
dealing with. Yes, I am hearing.
Sir, after decimal number, we should not add zeros extra.
You just understand this point here. What is the value? How we are doing means 5 2 are there, no? That is number 5 and number 2 are there, no? Isn't it?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
So 5, we are taking, it's an individual number. We are doing the individual conversion. 101. For 2, we are getting the individual conversion. You understand, ma?
Yes, sir.
I understood your point, sir. You are saying that you are adding 0 previously. Actually, you said that it was 0 to be added. The last one you said. That is for, we are not dealing with the individual number, no? Okay, I understood your doubt. Just you can listen here. Now here dealing with the individual number, ma, that's what I added 0 in the front. Okay, I understood. Yes. Let me go to the next page. What are the, now we want to do the calculation for what? Here we got number, no? That is 1010 only we need to do it. Let me go to the next page. 1 minute, I will write it. 10, what is the number? Again 10, isn't it? Hello? 10, we need to convert it. Just to tell that 1 into 2 to the power of
1 into 2 to the power of 3 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 2
very good. Then plus ma.
plus 1 into 2 to the power of 1
1 into 2
plus
to
0 into 2 to the power of 0
1 minute, I will write it. Yeah, plus 0 into 2
2
to the power of.
0.
So what is the final
0.
value we got? Here it is 8, no?
8
8 plus
8 plus 0 plus
0
2
Plus
2 plus 0.
zero. So finally we
plus
got what?
0.
Yeah. So finally we
10.
got the number. I am going to the previous page for writing this number. Okay, 1 minute right here. So here 1 0 will be the value. Okay. Okay. Now we will just check it. Okay, 1 minute. You started to write in your note. Students, you started to write in your note.
ஏண்டி நாளைக்கு
So
நான்
that I
ஃபுல்லா
will
ரொம்ப டைட்டா இருக்கேன். இல்ல அத மட்டும் நீங்க சொல்லுங்க. நான் நோட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கலாம். அதான் ஃபுல்லா ஃபைனான்ஸ் அண்ட் வந்துட்டு salary ஃபுல்லா கிரேட் வைஸ் எல்லாமே கொடுக்க சொல்லிடுறேன். அந்த
okay. Just start to write.
Completed, sir.
Very good. Very good.
Completed.
Yeah. Yes. 1 minute, children. Of course. What Priyanka, you said no, isn't it? We added the 0 at last.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Children, 1 minute. I will do the one small mistake I done. As she said, very good. So here, as she said, we need to add the 0 at last. 1 minute. Okay, I will write again. You can see. So what is the 5 value? 101. No. So what? What is the value here? 101 0
1 0 1
1 0. Okay.
0 1
group by
0.
4. Yeah, group no. So first group is this one, and second group is from here to we need to add 2 more zeros, isn't it? Am I right? 1 triple 0. So 1010 value was what we already calculated. What is the value? 1010 means 10, no? Isn't it? We got no. Here we have to write 10. Okay. So 1 triple 0. What is the value? That only we need to calculate it. This I will erase it. Students, shall I reteach it again?
Sir, I am also telling in the first.
Yes. Very good.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Okay. I think this is done by one small mistake. Okay. 1 triple 0. Let me calculate the value for the 1 triple 0. Or else shall I reteach it? Did you understand? No? We need to add the 0 at last. I also thought that it was front. It is not. Okay. Can you understand this one?
Sir.
Yeah. So let you just multiply. We will do the multiply here itself. 1 into 2 to the power of, what is the thing? 3, no? 3 plus, everything is 0, no? Let me directly write 0. Okay. 0 plus, again one more 0. So what is the value? 8, no? Hello? Are you here? 2 power 3 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8. So here we got the value 8. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the number, whole number? I mean, entire number for the conversion, I will write in the top. Okay. 1 7. 1 minute, I will write properly. 177 point, what is the thing? 10 8. 10 is how to represent 10 in hexadecimal. How to represent the 10 in hexadecimal?
Yeah.
Very good. So we have to write 1 minute. Yeah, dot, then A we need to write. A 8. So this is the value. Okay. So this is the number in the hexadecimal. Okay, write a note. Take the note. That change alone, do it. In the next page, this conversion only there. Okay, 1010 conversion only is there. You just after that also you can write it. I will show the page. Have you understand this one? How to convert to octal to hexadecimal if the number is in decimal place? Yes, very good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Do you have any doubt, or did you get any confused?
No confusion.
Okay, very good. Okay. Copy down very quickly. Then we will go to the next conversion. Once you complete it means you just say that, then we will continue it. One more page also there. Just one more thing is there, that I will change it.
Completed, sir.
Okay, Ahmad and Sarabesh, two people are here. Anyhow, you just I will teach it again. You just review the videos. Okay, the last class video, previous class videos, and you will get the concept. Okay, what they are doing. I think definitely you may have the confusion what they are doing. This is called number conversion. Okay, so how to convert? There are three type of number systems. Four type of number systems are there: binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal. Okay, how to convert from one number to another number? That's we are doing it. Okay, now, okay, once you review the previous class videos means you can get an idea. Even though you didn't get it, also not an issue. Let me just inform me. I will teach it. Okay, dear students, did you complete this one? Have we completed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shall we go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, okay. Okay, write down this also. 1010 conversion. I think this one. I'm selecting no for 10. For 10 conversion, this was that. Once you complete it, means let me go to the next conversion method. That is what? What is the next one? What is the next conversion? You don't have any
Hexadecimal to binary.
Hexadecimal to binary.
hexadecimal conversions. Yes, hexadecimal to binary, hexadecimal to octal, hexadecimal to decimal. Okay, this three conversion again. Once again, we will do it. That's all. Okay, anyhow, write it. Once you return means you please inform. Write it properly because starting onwards, I'm saying the classwork is very important. Once you done, if you note down all those things means it will be better for you because after that you will definitely, chances are there. It is not definitely I'm saying, chances are there you may forget the conversion because 12 type of conversions are there. No, see now I just made a mistake. Likewise, 12 type of conversions are there. In between, how to convert from one number to another number, you have to review it. Okay, that's what I'm saying. So clearly note, write in your notebook. I mean, there is a classwork and draw the arrow also from the bottom to top, and which is decimal means top to bottom, all those things. Okay. Once you completed means say yes, then we will go to the next one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Completed, no? Okay. Okay. Shall we go to the next one, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Okay. I hope, boys, what about you? Rajesh and Ram Tilak is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, completed. Okay. Prasad and Sudan, are you taking notes? Have you completed?
Sir,
Okay. What about who is answering? Sudan or Prasad?
Prasant sir.
Okay. What Sudan is doing? Whether he is writing?
Sir, I am also writing, sir.
Very good. Very good. This is very important. Okay. Let you go to the next page. 1 minute. Okay. Now we are entering into the. I will show the slide for your understanding. 1 minute. You can see now we are in the 10th position. You can see the 10th conversion we are about to do. Okay. 1 minute. So here hexadecimal to binary. So three more conversions are there. Once we completed means we will have a very short recap about the number conversions, entire number conversions that will give an idea. Okay. You can see hexadecimal to binary, hexadecimal to decimal, and finally hexadecimal to octal. So once we completed means the number conversion topic will be over. Okay. First we will do the 10th one, hexadecimal to binary. Okay. Just type it. I mean, write in your note hexadecimal to binary topic. Hexadecimal to binary. Write the topic. Okay, shall we enter into the topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell anyone hexadecimal number. Tell anyone hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal, yeah. Yes.
5A6.
5A6 now. Okay, good. So 5A6 it was the number. It is in the hexadecimal form. So base is 16. Okay. Now we need to convert into binary. So what is the binary base? What is the base for binary? 2. Okay. So now here, what is the first step? Means we need to convert the number individually. So what are the numbers are there? 5 is there. What is the next number? A. What is meaning of A? A means what?
10.
10.
10. Very good. So next we need to write 10. And what is the next number? 6. Okay. So we want to convert into binary format. That's what our answer. No. So we need to convert into binary. Let we do individually. Okay. So 5. Again, I will doing the same thing. 5 means what is the answer will come. So 5. If we convert into binary means what is the number? Tell that. 2 2s are 4. Remainder. Yeah.
Remainder 1.
The answer. Yes. Next one is 1 2 is 2.
1 2 is 2. Remainder 0.
0. What is the value we got?
101.
101.
101. Okay. So it is in hexadecimal. So that what we need to be grouping by 4. Okay. Always we need to take this number from bottom to top. Okay. So we need to add 0. Okay. If you are adding 0, no effect. Anyhow, we have to add it as per the procedure. Now we need to convert for 10. So let me take the 10. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah. 10. Then we need to divide by 2. So how many 2s are there in the 10? Tell the
5
answer.
2s are 10.
Yeah, 5 2s
5
are
2s are 10.
Remainder
0.
0. Then again 2. Again we divide by 2. How many 2s? Again same thing. 2 2s are 4. Remainder
2 2s are 2.
So how many 2s are there here?
1.
1 2 is 2. Remainder
0.
0. So let me tell the value. What is the value for 10?
0 1 0.
1010 ma. Reverse order. No, bottom to top. That's what I drawn the arrow also. You can see 1010. Bottom to top. We need to take in this reverse order. So 10. Tell the number. 10. So
1 0.
So yeah, 6 if you take means what is the thing? Next is student
2s
1
are
minute,
6.
yeah, 1 minute only more. We will do the conversion. If the link is interrupted means definitely it will interrupt in 1 minute. Again rejoin using the same link. Okay, rejoin immediately. I mean new student also. For you also it's special. Especially I'm telling it. Okay, click the same Zoom link. Again join it. Okay. Okay. Let me do the conversion. Meanwhile, so how many 2s are there in 6?
3 2s are 6.
Yeah, 3 2s are
3 2s
6.
are 6.
What is the remainder? 0.
0.
Yeah.
0.
And again 2. How many 2s? 1 2
1
is
2s are 2.
yeah,
Remainder 1.
very good. So we want to tell the value. What is the value? 1
1 1 0.
1 1 0. It is 3-bit only. No, we need to add what? 0.
1 0.
No, ma. In the front, it is in 3 group. We have to group by 4. No, because it is hexadecimal. No. So okay. So now we done that. We can do the conversion for 6. That is 110 was the answer. 1 minute I will write. So we are adding the 0 before it. Okay. Now we need to write all the numbers together. So what is the number? 0 it started. We can omit the 0. It was the first number. No. So if the first number is 0 means we can omit it. That's what. What is the number? 1. For example, for your understanding, I will write all together. 0 1. What is the value for 5? 0 1 0 1. Isn't it? That is 101. Okay. Then for number 10, what is the number? 1
0 1
1
0
0 1 0. Okay. So what is the number for 6? 0
0 1
double 1
1
yeah
0.
1 1 0. Okay. So if you want to write together means we can omit this 0 alone, we can omit it. Okay, because initially if it is 0 means there is no use of it. Okay. So we can, this is the number for binary number for the given hexadecimal number. So hexadecimal number 5 A6 means once you convert it to binary means this is the answer. Copy down in your classwork.
Completed, sir.
Very good, very good. Others, quickly complete pa.
Completed, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. So let me. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, let me go to the next. We will practice one more sum in this hexadecimal to binary with the decimal point. Okay, suppose the decimal point is there means, okay, how to do the conversion? Let me see it. Okay, 1 minute. So tell the number, hexadecimal number. Anyone can say that? Hello. Anyone can say hexadecimal number? No one saying that.
Yes, we can go, sir.
Yeah, tell the number. I'm asking the number.
Your
ma'am.
voice is not
Okay, okay.
audible, sir.
Now is it okay? Is it okay? Audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me, ma'am. Tell the number.
Seven
Seven. Hmm.
E
Uh,
5.
5. Tell some fractional point also. Point. Hmm.
8.
2,
8.
sir.
Okay. For example, if it is our number hexadecimal number, we need to convert into binary. Okay. Let me see the same process. Okay. With the decimal means. Okay. Let me write the number individually. 7. Then E. Then E means what? E means what? What is the value for E? Hello.
14, sir.
Yeah, people are not saying 14. Then 5 we are writing directly. Then point. Then 8. Then then 2. Okay, we are writing the value 2. Okay, we need to find the value for each number. Okay, for 7 we need to do the conversion. 1 minute. Yeah, 7 is there. So if you divide by 2, what is the number? 3 2s are 6. Remainder?
1.
Yeah, 1. Then again, tell the number.
2 in 1.
2 in only 1. No, 1 2 is 2. Remainder 1.
1.
Okay. So
1.
what is the value we got? Triple 1.
1.
Okay.
1.
1 1 1 we got. So we need to add 0. Okay. Here next is 14. 2 for 14. 7 2s are 14. Remainder 0. You people are not at all saying anything. Tell that.
2 3
3 2s are 6. Remainder 1.
1.
Okay.
2 1.
1.
2
Remainder
1.
1. So what is the
1.
value?
1.
1
1 1
Triple 1.
0.
1 triple
1
1
1
0.
1 0.
So 5. What is the number 5? 5. Do the conversion.
2 2
Sir, 4
2
remainder.
2s are 4, remainder 1.
Yeah. Again 2.
2 1
1 2
2
is 2, remainder
1.
0.
0. What is the
0.
number?
0.
1 not 1.
1 0.
1 0.
Yeah, 1 0 1. So we need to add 0 previous to this. Okay. Now 8. Okay, tell that.
4 2s are 8, remainder 0.
4 2s are 8, remainder 0. Then
2 2s are 4, remainder 0.
2s are 4, remainder 0.
1 2s are 4, remainder 0.
Okay. 1 2 is 2, remainder 0. So what is the value? 1 triple 0.
1 0.
0.
Triple 0, no? Then 2. 2 means same thing only. So 2 if you divide means 1 0 you will get. 1 2 is 2.
1
Remainder 0. That is 1 0.
0 1
So
0.
we need to add 2 0 previous to
1.
it. Okay. So let me write together again. What is the entire number? Just write together. 0. 1 1
0 1
1.
1 1.
Again here 14
1.
value is 1 1 1 0. 5 value is 0
0
0.
1 0
1.
1. So this is the
1.
number point. Again 1 triple
0
0. 0.
again double
0
0
0 1 0.
1 0. So this is the entire number for the binary. So starting it was 0. Let me erase the 0. We no need the 0. If it is start with 0 means we can omit that one. Okay. 1 minute. So we can write this is the answer. Write down this answer. I mean copy down this. Have you understand this one? Hexadecimal to binary.
Sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you people
Yes,
have
sir.
any doubt in the conversion means, let you just ask me, then I will give the clarification. Okay, good. Copy down it. Then we will go for the next one. What is the next one? Hexadecimal to octal. Okay. Or else we will deal with the last hexadecimal to decimal. We will do it. It will be easy little bit. Everything is easy only. This time saying. Have you understand this one? Have you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One minute. Okay. Once you completed means I want to take one data from you that I will take. Okay. Once you completed means say that. You go. With it.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Okay. What about boys? Aditya, Jay Aditya,
Complete, sir.
Rajesh, Sudan, and Prasant. Srisha, have you completed? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I hope everyone will complete this one. Okay. Okay. I will take one data from you. Just